Here's how to use the quadratic formula on a TI-84 calculator. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to Program. Now we're going to go over to New, Create New, and for this video, I'm just going to name it Quad. So Q-U-A-D, and click Enter. Now let's actually start programming. Let's go to Second, Catalog, and scroll all the way down until we find A plus BI. This will allow the formula to handle complex numbers. Click Enter. Now let's click Enter again. Now we're going to go to Second, Catalog again, but this time go to Alpha P. So Alpha P. Now we're on the P's. Let's scroll all the way down till we find Prompt. So there's Prompt. So let's click Enter. Now we're going to prompt 3 values. Alpha A, comma, Alpha B, comma, and Alpha C. This is going to be our A value, our B value, and our C value in the quadratic. Let's click Enter. Now start programming the actual formula. We know that this is going to be negative B plus the square root of B squared, alpha B squared, minus 4AC, close both parentheses, divided by 2A. Write it exactly how I did. And we're going to store this value in a variable that I'm going to call D. So press alpha D. Now let's click Enter. Notice that for the first line, I pressed plus. We know that the quadratic formula is plus or minus. So now we're going to do the minus component. So let's click parentheses, negative B, alpha B, minus the square root of B squared, minus 4AC. Now we're going to close both parentheses and divide this by 2A. Write it exactly how I did, and we're going to store this value in a variable that I call E. Now after we've calculated the quadratic formula, we're going to go over to Second Catalog, click Alpha D, and we're going to scroll down all the way until we find Display, which is DISP. And we're going to display our Alpha D, comma, Alpha E. And these are going to be our solutions. So we're done. Now, do not click Clear. Instead, we're going to go to Second Quit. Now, let's use a quadratic on the formula. So let's take a simple quadratic, like x squared plus 6x plus 9. Let's plug this into our formula. Let me show you how. We know that our A value is going to be 1, our B value is going to be 6, and our C value is going to be 9. Let's plug this in. Go to Program, click Enter on Quad. Now it says Program Quad. Let's click Enter. It's going to ask us for our A value. We know that this is 1. Now it's going to ask us for our B value. We know this is going to be 6. Click Enter. And now it's going to ask us for our C value. We know that this is 9. We click Enter. And boom, those are our 2 solutions. Now it doesn't show here, but we can see that it's -3 and -3. So we're done.